Hi guys, I've just been playing around with letters to make a logo for our sliding lid box, and it really is easy in Tinkercad. This is the view that you're always in to start up with. It's probably better if you go into the top so you're looking directly straight down at it. I created one here. This is my initials, JD. I've actually widened the J out, which is really easy. You can just stretch the things in any direction. The D is in another color, but what I want to do is create a hole for the letter D. So it's a J with a hole as a D, and I need to convert that into a hole. So I click on the D and see the hole. It may take a bit of time because it is online software. It will change into a hole. It's changed color. It's still not a hole. You can't see the blue background. So I actually have to grab both of them, and that is shift on the keyboard. That's the J, and I've got to find the D. Let's see if I can get the D. Click out of that. There's the D, and there's the J. I move the pointer up. See here, group. I group, and that creates, may take a bit of time, that creates a hole. So you can do that. That's one way, and I've chosen these two examples that you get from the text over here on the right. Look, we'll drag one in, and up in here you change to just one letter. I'm using capitals. Okay, so that's how you create one letter. Now you can just drag these to anywhere where they connect, and because they're sort of this is straight and this is straight, they're sort of fairly easy. I mean, you could put it in there. See how it's got a little gap at the bottom? Play around with it. You could do that, and then we grab the W and the B, hold the shift down, and the W, and go up into here, group. So that has become one joined letter, WB. So that could be a logo. Now I've actually brought another W in here because you've got two curves and an angled straight line, which in theory would be quite difficult. I've got to increase this, so my two sizes at the moment, it's small, so I'll change them. So I'll change it to 100. Press enter. 100. Press enter, and then I can move it around, and you can see it's a bit awkward, isn't it? Curves and straight lines. But if you can actually do that, and still, that's probably too far, I think. Something like that. See what that looks like. So if your first name's B and your second name's surname's W, you can combine them, and then you just click on one, hold the shift down, click on the other, and move up to the top, and it says group. And you can group it, and there you go. So there's a BW. Oh, BMW, that'd be cool. And if you ever want to ungroup, you just click on them and you go up to the top and you ungroup, and then you can move things around. So this is one group and this is another group, so I can move that off, and again I can ungroup and move that up to there. Yeah, it's not difficult to join letters. Have a play around.